Hello everyone, welcome to Wednesday's Maths. So today we're thinking about ordering numbers within 50. So we've been doing comparing. So we've got a review question today, thinking about what we did yesterday, comparing those numbers. So can you have a look at the number track and see if you can complete the two comparison sentences to go with the circled numbers, okay? So please pause the video now to do that. Good job, year one. Okay, so we want something is more than something first of all. So I'm looking at the biggest number, which is 28. So 28 is more than 19. I know that, don't I? Because 28 has got 2 10s and 8 1s, and 19 has only got 1 10 and 9 1s. And I want to swap it round for my second one. Something is less than something. So this one, 19 is less than 28. Super job, well done. So today, as I said, we're thinking about ordering numbers within 50. So our first explore page says, count how many is in each group and then order them from smallest to greatest. And remember, greatest means the biggest, okay? So you need to count how many is in each group and then kind of pop them in order, okay? So please can you count with me? Ready, year one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in group A, there are 7. Group B, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In group B, and in group C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if we look at those numbers now, 7, 9, 6. They're not in order from smallest to greatest. So I want to put the smallest number here and the biggest number here and the one in the middle. Okay, so the smallest number out of these three is, well done, it's 6. Then the next biggest number is 7, good job. And the biggest number there is 9, super. Okay, so I've looked at those three numbers and I put them in order from smallest to biggest. So smallest is 6 and biggest, greatest is 9. And that 7 goes in the middle, super. Okay, so question 1 today, we've got 3 groups again, A, B and C. This time they're in 10s and 1s because that last one was too easy for you. So you're going to count them in your 10s and 1s, find out what number is each group, then put them in order from smallest to largest. Okay, so please pause the video now and have a go at that one. Well done, year one. So hopefully you've counted these and got the same numbers as me. So A, I've got 2 10s and 7 1s, which gives me 27. B, I've got 3 10s and 6 1s, which gives me 36. And C, 2 10s and 9 1s, which gives me 29. Now I'd like to pop them in order from smallest to greatest. So my smallest one I can see is, well done, 27. The biggest number I can see is, good job, 36. And then the one that goes in the middle is, good job, 29. So 27 is the smallest and 36 is the greatest. Super job. Okay, so now we're going to be looking at ordering the numbers that are in blue. Okay, so not all of the numbers. And we're using the comparison symbol, more than here. Can you see how we want to make this make sense with the symbol more than? And that means that we need to order the numbers from greatest to smallest, okay? Because I'd like it to be something is more than something, which is more than something, which is more than something, okay? So that means the smallest number is at the end and the biggest number is first, okay? So you're looking at these 4 blue numbers, not all of the numbers. I've got 20, 21, 24, and 25, okay? So I need to put them in order from biggest, greatest to smallest, okay? So the biggest number I can see is 25, well done. Just make it a bit bigger. Okay, and then the next smallest number, or the next biggest number, if I can look on my, like it's a number chart, if you go to this one. Well done, I've got 24. And then the next one is 21. Well done, and the final one is 20. Good job. Now, can you see now how that could be? That's like a giant comparison sentence, isn't it? So 25 is more than 24, is more than 21, is more than 20. Do you think you can say that with me? Ready? 25 is more than 24, is more than 21, is more than 20. So can you see how we've ordered them from greatest to smallest and we've used the more than symbol? Super. Okay, so question 3, it says, I feel like this is only question 2. Question 2, can you order these numbers again from greatest to smallest? You see why it's greatest to smallest, because it's got more than symbols. Okay, so the numbers you can see, please could you put them in order, and I'd like you to use the comparison symbol right here. So you should have a number, then more than, number, more than, number, more than, number. Okay, so please pause the video now and have a go at that one. Okay, well done, year ones. I want to put them in with the biggest number first. So what's the biggest number? Well done, it is 39. We've got 3 10s and 9 ones, well done. And the next biggest number is 38, good job. And the next biggest number is 37, fantastic. And then the next biggest number, remembering to look at the ones that are coloured in, 35, super. Okay, so I've got 39 is more than, 38 is more than, 37 is more than 35. Can you say that one with me, ready? 39 is more than, 38 is more than, 37 is more than 35. Super, well done, year one. Okay, question 3. This time, if I'm looking, it wants us to order the numbers from smallest to greatest. Can you see now how this symbol has changed to less than? Okay, which means we start with the smallest number and finish with the greatest number. Okay, so please can you pause the video now and have a go at that one. Well done, year one. Okay, so I'm starting with the smallest number this time, which is 35. Well done. And then I go to 36. And then when we're looking at the next number that's green, 40, well done. And the next one is 41, super. Okay, so if I read it from left to right, I've got 35 is less than 36, is less than 40, is less than 41. Can you say that with me, ready? 35 is less than 36, is less than 40, is less than 41. Okay, now can you see how, if I read it the other way, if I read it from right to left, it would be more than, like this, ready? 41 is more than 40, is more than 36, is more than 35. Like just how we look swapping them around, we can read it the other way. So it could be more, less than, it could be more than. So can you say it with me backwards? Ready? 41 is more than 40, is more than 36, is more than 35. Brilliant, well done, year one. Okay, so finally we've got our maths challenge today. So it's one where you're thinking about what number could go in the box. It means it could be more than one. It says what numbers could go in the box. We've got 49 is more than something, which is more than 43. What could it be? So we're ordering from greatest to smallest. So what number could go in here? It's a few different ones it could be. So I wonder if you can think of all of them. We'll see how many you can get, okay? So great job with your maths learning today, year one. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for some more. Bye, everyone.